Welcome to Browsify. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the header, footer, and announcement bar of your Shopify store to make it more attractive and user-friendly. Let's start with the header. The header typically includes your store logo, navigation menu, and other important elements. In the theme customizer, go to the header section. Here, you can upload your logo, adjust the navigation menu. Let's move on to the announcement bar. This is the bar that appears at the top of your store for promotions, sales, or important messages. You can enable or disable the announcement bar, change the text, and even add a link to a specific page or offer. Let's add a promotion and link it to our free shipping collection. Now, let's move to the footer. The footer typically contains links to important pages like Contact Us, About Us, FAQ, and social media. Here, you can organize the footer by adding quick links for customers to navigate easily, like FAQ or your social media links. Many stores also include newsletter sign-up in the footer to grow their email list. Let's add that here. You can enable a newsletter sign-up field here and customize the message to encourage visitors to subscribe. It's important to check how your header and footer look on mobile devices. Shopify allows you to preview and adjust the settings for mobile view. Here, you can ensure your header and footer look great on smaller screens and make adjustments if needed. Once you've customized your header, footer, and announcement bar, it's time to preview and save the changes. Make sure everything looks great. If you're satisfied, click Save to finalize the changes. That's how you customize the header, footer, and announcement bar on your Shopify store. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.